Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is extremely likely a 1, a 2, and a big wave 3. And I'm really still not even convinced the wave 3 is over because we never did hit that 161.8. That usually is where wave 3 minimum will go before it actually goes down and makes a wave forward and back up for a wave 5. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the big wave 1, the big wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of the wave 3, I believe. So this is all a wave 3. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and I still think we're in that wave 5 of 3. If it lines up with the monthly time frame fib level, then it's more likely to go up to the 61.8, which is right around the 2540. If not, then the 50% lines up with the 2500, which is definitely a very round number, and the market does like round numbers. So it definitely could end at that 2500, ending this wave 5 and starting a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think that the end of a wave 4 is right here, and I still think this is a 1, a 2, a 3, probably a wave 4. I still think we're in a wave 5, even though it did break on sort of time frames to the downside. I still expect it to go up at least to the 2500 or maybe even the 2540, 2550 area, which is that 61% Fibonacci extension on the weekly time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did break to the downside right here, but the way it broke and the fact that this almost kind of looks like 3 waves up to me actually makes me think that this is actually going to go up again. I think there's a pretty good chance it might try to drift out again, might even go down to like the 2430 area, right around the 50%. But I do think the trend is up, and I am definitely still primarily looking for longs. And honestly, it could even just keep on drifting up from here, especially looking at the higher time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce and like a nice engulfing move to the downside with a breaker structure at any one of these Fibonacci levels, then I would definitely take it as a short. Maybe take it down to one of those fib levels I was showing you on the 4 hour time frame. Otherwise, if you don't see this picture right here, then you could definitely be holding a long or looking for longs on even shorter time frames. There's definitely a chance that it might just keep on drifting up. Often what you think is a wave B actually will just keep on trending up. So definitely be aware and be careful of that. But if you do see it break to the downside, that probably will tell you that it is going to go back down for a wave C before it actually does go up for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.